Welcome to Roanoke Valley Operations. We are proud to share with you today our brand new facility where all the Mack medium-duty trucks are going to be built. Let's go see inside. Welcome inside our facility. This is an advanced assembly facility that has applied several new unique solutions. We create a new business model to develop and operate this facility, leveraging the experience of several companies to deliver a new standard. Engineer simplicity is one of our guiding principles to deliver low-cost operation and full engagement for all our people. The plant applies all our best knowledge in lean manufacturing, applying techniques like vendor management inventory for several hundred parts, as well as a complete pool replenishing material. Without further ado, let's start our walkthrough. Come with me. We are here at the Station 1, here where the Mack Medium Duty series starts, from the base frame, as we have all the components coming from our suppliers already coated in the final paint with a high standard and corrosion protection. From this point, the vehicle sits on an automated guided vehicle that moves along the main line 1, protecting the geometry and integrity of the base frame. The next stop, you're going to see our battery box module. Come with me. One particularly important component of our truck is our battery box module that contains air tanks, rear tank integrated in one single module that moves into the main assembly flow and hooks directly to the frame. This is a good example of how product development comes together with the assembly process to streamline the main flow of the chassis assembly. At this point of the line, our base frame is completed with all the components from bracketry, electrical harnesses, and air lines, and is ready to move to the line 2. After this point, the automated guided vehicle moves itself to the beginning of the line again. Okay, let's go for the next stop. This is our first marriage point of the line. At these stations, axles come on board of automated guided vehicles to meet the base frame. The power of our new IT system secures all the synchronization through production memos that is capable to guide our people to know exactly the steps that need to take to secure that the right axles goes to the right base frame. This is our second most important marriage point. The engine model, like the axles, they have to be synchronized to be produced according to the spec of this particular vehicle. Let's go for the next stop. The whole assembly process of our vehicles is monitored by our production tracking system that secures that every component and every bolt is tightened according to a spec. That protects our people. That secures that all our critical components and torques are recorded and secured for traceability. So let's go for the next stop. This is our cab line. It's positioned in optimal flow in connection with our main assembly line. Follow the same process and procedures of our chassis line with our production tracking system securing every single step of the process. At this point, the cab is ready to be married with the chassis. Let's take a look. This is one of the most critical marriage points where the cab meets the chassis platform. At this point, the right spec cab has to meet the right spec chassis. And at this point, we can see that we have a new truck. At this point, the truck gets its final components, like hood, bumper, and wheels. And we start the engine for the first time. At this point, we can claim that our truck is ready. By the way, born ready. This is our validation lane. A series of validations go through these lanes to secure the functionality of the truck. We test the brakes, we dyno test the truck, we will align the truck, and we get this truck in full functionality and a high standard quality for you. We have been working in this facility for more than a year, and the whole team has been brave to stay on during the pandemic without stopping this plant for one single day, just to be ready for you. We are proud that our facility is now up and running to deliver the brand new Mack Medium Duty Series to you. We are ready.